didn't want the visual anyway.
No, I should have been more.
Be honest, you didn't want the visual.
No, but I know.
Just ask me a question. Did you want the visual? I'll prove to you that you didn't want the visual.
I said send some.
You sent me some questions.
I sent you some questions.
Right.
And then I said send some pictures.
I even did a photo shoot last week.
Okay.
Brand new pictures.
Cool. All right, we go with those. Cool. We'll use those. The reason why I sent you the questions, because I know your shit is always hectic.
But you're my man. And I said,
too. I love you for that. I love you for that. I'm just saying, when you said y'all gonna come through,
took damn near 8 months to get a 4A.
Me, my bad on that. But me, that's when money was kind of tight. Now I partnered up with some cats with a little paper.
I was one who said I would pay. I just want that clip. You know what? Fuck it. Let's go. Let's do it.
Dude, you know I love you. You